we all seem to believe, when I read the book, social change for good. But social change is a two-way street. You could use it for bad.
Well, you're right. You can see social media today can be used for bad, and it probably is. Facebook probably is the new cigarettes. It's bad for you.
Can we take that back?
It's addictive.
Can we take that back?
They're after your kids, Jim. They're letting people run false ads.
People can change stripes.
They're providing data to tens of thousands of partners without the knowledge of their users. This is a company that probably should be regulated and broken up. It's got too much data, commingling data of all of its acquisitions to have greater influence on you as a consumer. That's an example where capitalism...
You can cut it off. You don't have to deal with them.
Capitalism needs guardrails. That's the point of the book. That's a very important part of the future of technology as well.
But if you open that door, then you have show trials of executives. Last night you talked about a show trial of Alex Gorski. Alex Gorski, you and I both know, has saved more lives, is deeply committed to stopping suicide among veterans, and he gets mentioned last night as someone who should be prosecuted. You could go wild with this stuff about business.
Jim, this is why we have antitrust authorities worldwide embedded in every major government agency to keep an eye on these things. Government has to do what it's going to do. This is also what the SEC should do. The SEC can modify its regulations. I wrote about this in my op-ed on the New York Times on Monday, and say, hey, tell us who your stakeholders are. Tell us how you're managing your business, not just your shareholder return. Tell us what your stakeholder return. Salesforce already publishes its stakeholder return. All companies can do that easily now.
You are the co-CEO. Does a co-CEO have time to, in your day, and I know your schedule, apologies to Lynn up front, does a co-CEO have time to run for president? Don't dodge this.
My whole book is about how business is the greatest platform for change, because I believe that the work that I do as a CEO and as running Salesforce, and that Salesforce can have the power. I could never be a politician. I will never run for office, but I do know how to be a tech CEO. I do know how to build a business on all stakeholders. And what I want to do, Jim, is influence everyone from the intern to the CEO to the great, industry reporter, that they can all be platforms for change and that we can all improve the state of the world.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.